All right, we're back at the Airbnb and we're going to start the renovation today. The plan for today, take this whole vanity out, get some of this fake wall out, I don't know, some kind of plastic covering, get as much of this out as I can, and maybe even get this toilet off so I can take a look at what's underneath the drain, what the situation is, because we want to move that over there, and this is on a concrete slab. So we had a contractor come out and give some quotes on doing a lot of this demo, and it's just way out of our price range. So I'm gonna invest some sweat equity into this place. I've only got it's 5 o'clock. I just got off of work. I'm tired, so I'm not gonna have much time here tonight. But I'll see how much I can get done. Let's get to work. All right, it's been about 2 hours, and this is where we're at. Got most of the ceiling out. A lot of cleanup to do with staples and stuff. I don't know what this stuff is. It's like cardboard. So weird. Got most. I still haven't decided what to do with this drywall. I got most of that wood paneling down, but you know they've glued it on. It's ripping the sheetrock. It's got glue still stuck on the sheetrock. I think it might just be worth it. There's even staples in it. Might be worth just pulling all this drywall down, and just redoing it. It won't take much. I might just do that tomorrow when I come back here. I've also was in a hurry to get here. I didn't bring any cleaning supplies, so no brooms, no trash cans, nothing. So I'll come back with that and clean this up real nice, so it's not so dangerous to work in here. Yeah, so tomorrow I think the plan will be to get the rest of this paneling off on this side. This one's got a few more obstacles. It's got these hookups for the washing machine, the drain for the washing machine. It's got the toilet in the way. Got those hydronic baseboard heaters on both those walls in that corner. I've got this big vent tube for the dryer. I've got that old fan in there, which is actually a nice fan. It's a Panasonic. It looks newer. I need to get that thing out of there in one piece. But this used to be the only fan in here, and then they put in this one, that's a newer Panasonic. So I'll just go with that one. I'll take that one out. We'll see what we can do to get that out of there. So tomorrow, another full day. Well, another half day, I guess. After work, I'll come in here and bring all the right tools and get the rest of the stuff out of here. I'm also, I know this stuff looks like asbestos tile, this old blue stuff. So I'm gonna really not want to touch too much of it, not to disturb it. It's very, very, very brittle right now. Barely touch it and it cracks. So I think I want to get the rest of this stuff out of here and maybe start peeling up this newer. See what's under here. It's just concrete. So we're gonna put the luxury vinyl on here, and you can't put it on any of this cushioned floor. So this has got some give to it, and that's not allowed. So I think I'll rip some of this out, and I'm trying to get a plumber out here. The guy I usually use hasn't been getting back to me, but just to move some of this stuff around, move this drain, move these supply lines to let me think, over here somewhere, and then move these two, move them over here, and then this shower head. It's pretty high up there, but even higher. If he's at here anyways, move it up higher. So I'm trying to get him out here. And I haven't decided about this wall yet either. For a standard washer and dryer, it's about like 3 inches too narrow in here, even if I take this baseboard heat out. So I either move this wall and go with a smaller tub, or get a smaller washer and dryer, which you're over $1,000 just in that. It'd be cheaper to move the wall, just in drywall and 2x4s, than it would be to get a new washer and dryer. Still haven't decided on that. So I got a couple of decisions to make. I'm probably going to end up taking the drywall out because it looks like garbage, and here's some notes from people doing some math from over 60 years ago. Kind of cool. It's just old, it's held in with nails, which are fine, but they start going out a little bit, and I don't think this is 1/2 inch. There's too much play in it, seemingly. it just moves a lot. So, okay, I think I'm done for today, and see you tomorrow.